Alright, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and happy Ramadan. How have you been so far? Okay. Okay, thank you for responding. You know what? I'm so glad I'm excited today because I can meet you again, although still virtually, right? But I hope in July we really meet because it is said that in July we are allowed to meet up physically, right? Face to face. Gak tahu tuh belajar tatap muka tuh gimana? Apakah kita saling menatap mata masing-masing dan muka masing-masing. Okay, I don't know for sure, right? Okay, guys, today we have something to talk. Kita punya sesuatu nih yang akan didiskusikan. Uh, it's all about fasting. So, let's stay away from grammatical rules first. Kita stay away dulu dari yang namanya aturan grammar gitu ya. So, hari ini kita speaking aja dan reading, oke? Okay? Pertanyaan satu, tapi buat semua ya. Satu pertanyaan, oke? Okay? What do you think of fasting in Ramadan month? Jadi, what do you think of fasting in Ramadan month? Silahkan create jawabannya 30 detik dari sekarang. What do you think of fasting in Ramadan month? Apa pendapatmu mengenai puasa di bulan Ramadan? Kalau mau menyatakan pendapat, you can say, I think that blah 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 blah. In my opinion, fasting is blah 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 blah. Felicitia Izatul Aulia. Hello, Feli. Happy birthday to you. Feli, hey, yang ulang tahun. Start your camera. Wafi, hello Wafi. Arya Sadra. And Putri Maharani. Mula Sadra. We have Ananda Vida here. And Inaya, yang belum start camera, silakan start camera dulu ya. Okay. So what do you think of fasting in Ramadan month? I think, let me ask it first. Personally, in my personal view, fasting in Ramadan month is, of course, it's an obligation. It's an obligation. Itu adalah sebuah kewajiban. Obligation. Right? But I think it's more than just an obligation. Kayaknya sih lebih dari sekedar kewajiban ya, gitu. Kalian tinggal tambahin apa. Alright. Okay, time is over. So let me ask Rizky Fadila. Last, yep. Okay, and then and you break the fast. Of course, if you fast forever or more than 24 hours, I think you're gonna die. Okay, good. Thank you, Rizky, for your answer. Next, Ali Ausad Asajad. What do you think of fasting in Ramadan month? Go on, go on. Uh-huh. You can eat what you want. Hmm? I can repeat. I can eat what I want. Okay, wow, you are eating boy. All right, next, Zunaira. What do you think of fasting in Ramadan month? All right. Well, all right. It sounds fun. Fun fasting. All right. Thank you, Zunaira. Next, Fatima Kisti. What do you think of fasting in Ramadan month? Mm-hmm. 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 All right. Mm-hmm. So that's the point of your joy when fasting. Okay, good. Do you like talking about other people in fasting, or you stop for a while gossiping? All right. So you can start gossiping again after breaking the fast, after Maghrib or Isha, right? Okay, thank you, Fatima Kisti. Wafi, what do you think of fasting in Ramadan month? Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. You like the situation. Which situation? Which situation that attracts you? Mm-hmm. Okay. Hunting takjil for iftar. All right. Thank you, Wafi. Next, Mula Sadra, what do you think of fasting in Ramadan month? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Wow, so you're playing game all the time, all day long. What kind of what kind of game do you play, Sadra? What kind of game? Uh-huh. FF? No FF. It's for the kids. All right. Thank you, Mula Sadra. Felicitia Izzatul Aulia. What do you think of fasting in Ramadan month? Next, Arya Sadra. What do you think of fasting in Ramadan month? Oh, wow. Okay. So from your perspective, that fasting spiritually can change people to be better. Okay. After the Ramadan month ended, right? Because after Ramadan, people will celebrate Idul Fitri in Shawwal. Yeah. Okay. Arya Sadra. Thank you. Next, Putri Maharani. Mm-hmm. Okay, from your health perspective, fasting can make your body or our body healthier. Wow, that's so cool. Okay, can you give us some evidences that fasting can make our bodies healthier? What's the evidence? Apa buktinya? All right, our bodies, our organs in our body rest time. Waktunya istirahat ya. Thank you, Putri Maharani. Okay, next Ananda Fida. What do you think of fasting in Ramadan month? Okay, next, what do you think of fasting in Ramadan month? Fatima Salsabila. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right. Wow, that's so good. And don't forget to sing because you start saying Ramadan comes, so you need to sing Ramadan tiba, marhaban tiba. Wow, there's something viral, right? Okay. Did you know that something viral? Viral video? Fatimah Salsabila? Do you have any TikTok account? Yes, good. Okay, so you are updating, right? Okay. Next, Inayah Niara, what do you think of fasting in Ramadan month? Start your camera first, or I won't point you, I won't mark you. Yang ada wajahnya nilainya beda ya. Soalnya wajahnya ini kenapa botak putih gitu. Oh, ternyata ini ya icon. All right, please. Mhm. Mhm. I see. All right. Are you still fasting right now? Ah, I thought you're not fasting because your cheek look chubby. but it's a good. Don't worry, take it easy, right? Okay, brothers and sisters, thank you. So we got some expressions from the talk that we have, right? First of all, ada tadi apa ngabuburit, right? How do you say ngabuburit in English? Anybody knows? Ngabuburit. Ah, you can say, well, there is no specific or exact expressions of telling ngabuburit because ngabuburit culture is only exists in Indonesia, right? Especially, in some areas in Java Island. But you can say ngabuburit itu kill kill the time before maghrib, right? You can say I kill the time atau I kill my time by misalkan Rizky dengan membantu orang tua. I kill my time by helping my parents, right? Ngabuburit, kill the time before maghrib, it's ngabuburit. All right. What do you have to say when you want to say puasaku batal? Ada yang udah batal puasanya? Belum ya? Oke, gimana nih caranya? Puasaku batal, gimana? You can say, I ruined my fasting. Fasting itu puasa, alright? Puasaku batal, I ruined my fasting. Puasaku batal. Puasaku batal. Oke, what else nih kira-kira yang ada di istilah puasa, guys? Kalau makan sahur, how do you say? Biasanya anak remaja putri nih biasa membantu menyiapkan makanan sahur. How do you say that? You can say pre dawn meal. Pre dawn meal, right? Makan sahur. Or sahur itself, kata sahur ini sudah baku di kamus bahasa Inggris terbaru ya. Sahur or sahur. Alright, ini sudah baku guys. Sahur. Oke. Okay. What else? Ada lagi? Kira-kira apa ya yang sering ada istilah puasa tapi udah ada bahasa Inggrisnya? Oh, satu lagi. Iftar. Iftar itu sudah masuk ke kamus bahasa Inggris. Iftar berarti apa ya? Buka ya? Buka puasa ya. Nah, iftar ini buka puasa, ini break the fast. Break the fast. Alright. If you want to say selamat berbuka puasa, you just say like this, add happy. Happy in the beginning. Happy breakfast. Udah menunjukkan selamat berbuka puasa. Happy breakfast. Gitu guys. What else? Ada lagi? Apa kira-kira? Puasa. Anything else? Udah ya? Oke, segini aja dulu. So, let's get on to another topic, another conversation, but still about fasting. Yang pertama, Mister mau share tentang ini nih, artikel tentang fasting. Oke, 10 menit lagi habis waktunya, nanti balik lagi ya. Mudah-mudahan selesai lah. Okay, it's about Ramadan. Okay, can you see the share screen? Yes, okay, thank you. Ramadan is the Muslim holy month. So, what goes on during Ramadan and what does it mean? Young Muslims from the UK tell us why Ramadan is important to them. Tapi sebelum kalian baca artikelnya, coba kalian match dulu the word with their definition. Kata-kata ini dengan definisinya ya, kira-kira. Boleh ditulis di kertas. Too fast. Too fast berarti apa tuh? Artinya dalam bahasa Inggris. Too fast. Inggris ke Inggris ini ya. A, too fast. B, to give something up. C, to observe the fast. D, to make up for something. E, to break your fast. F, to face something. A few of words have been told you. Beberapa kata udah tadi ya dibahas ya. Okay, let me ask Inaya. Inaya, A, too fast is match with number. Too fast is 1. Can you please read the definition? Okay, now please Rizky Fadila translate the definition. Apa tuh? To go without food. Yes, okay. Menahan dari makan selama beberapa waktu, especially, khususnya, terutama, alasan religi atau alasan agama. Okay, good. Thank you. Next, Zunaira, point B, to give something up. Which number do you want to match? To give something up. Number? Number 3. To give something up, to stop doing or having something. Yes, to give something up artinya, what's the meaning? To stop doing or having something. Ya, to give something up itu artinya in bahasa Indonesia menyerah. Alright, menyerah, give up, give up. Oke, give something up. To stop doing or having something. Berhenti melakukan sesuatu atau memiliki sesuatu atau memakan sesuatu. Alright, to give something up. Next, point C, Fatima Kisti. C6, to follow or stick to the fast. In bahasa Indonesia, what can you translate? Sure, please have it check. To observe the fast. To follow or stick to the fast. Menjalani atau menjalankan? Yes, good. Menjalankan kewajiban berpuasa. Okay, thank you. Next, Ali Ausat. D, to make up for something. Apakah pakai make up atau apa? To make up for something. Maybe, please read it. Coba dibaca. That has not or hasn't been done. Very good. Artinya apa tuh? Ali Ausat in bahasa Indonesia. To make up for something. Melakukan hal ekstra or later to compensate. Apa nih? Compensate apa sih? Ada istilah kompensasi. Kompensasi itu apa? Mengganti. Oke, okay. For something that hasn't been done. Untuk sesuatu atau atas sesuatu yang belum dilakukan. Oke, okay, good. Next, to break your fast. Ada Putri Maharani, silahkan. To break your fast, dibaca boleh? To end. Mhm. Yes, mengakhiri puasamu dengan makan sesuatu. Oke, jangan makan someone ya. By eating someone. Oh, cannibal. I'm afraid. Alright, next. Ada to face something. Ada siapa tadi yang belum ngomong ya? Yang belum dapat nilai. Ananda, silahkan. Nggak ada? Oke, kalau gitu Arya Sadra. To face something pastinya face something. Arya Sadra nggak ada. Wafi. To face something pasti jawabannya adalah five. To have to do something difficult. Yes, it means in bahasa Indonesia to face something is yes, menghadapi sesuatu berarti to have to do something difficult. Melakukan sesuatu yang dianggap sulit atau yang dianggap menakutkan bisa have something difficult. Oke, guys, next slide. Nah, silahkan kalian baca dalam hati, tapi sekarang satu orang baca yang keras ya. Mister minta Jilwa Fatima untuk membaca Ramadan in the UK. Paragraf pertama, silahkan Jilwa. Alright, thank you Jilwa. Kalian menemukan kata-kata baru di sini? Ada kata-kata yang baru yang nggak tahu artinya? Tinggal kalian catat, langsung kalian cari artinya di Google Translate. Oke, okay, thank you. Next, Mutaki Ali Ridho. Paragraph 2. What do people do? All right, thank you. Guys, the time is about to die, right? It's all about to end, so please get back a minute, alright? I will end the meeting soon. Nanti kalian balik lagi bentar ya. Terus just going by the way, walking by the way, atau sleeping by the way. Oke, kalau gitu Mister minta yang aktif aja deh untuk baca lagi ya. Silahkan Fatima Kisti, please. Mhm. Less fortunate. Okay, good. Next. Mhm. Okay. Next. Mhm. All right. Thank you. Next, Wafi. Wafi, when is it? Wafi silakan baca Wafi. Mhm. Oh, ada yang ngalangin. Nah, ini dia nih. Wait, wait. Oke, silahkan. Okay, next. Zunaira. Paragraph. Next paragraph. Okay, thank you. Next paragraph. Please, Putri Maharani, read the next paragraph. Ramadan and sport coincides. Okay, delicious. All right. Okay, guys, now let's get it start from the beginning, right? From the beginning of the articles. Did you find new words? Apakah kalian menemukan kata-kata baru di artikel ini? Coba sambil ditulis boleh ya, ditulis di buku catatan. Ada kata yang asing nggak di sini? Is there any? Hello? None. All right. Next, what do people do? What do people do? Nah, di paragraf berikutnya, fasting Muslims do not eat or drink anything between dawn and sunset. Ada kata dawn di sini. Dawn, ada yang tahu artinya? Yes, dawn itu adalah fajar. Yap, waktu fajar atau early morning. Next, they also give up bad habits and try to be model human beings. Model human beings itu apa ya kira-kira diartikan kalau ke bahasa Indonesia? Model human beings, manusia telad teladan ya, yang soleh ya gitu ya maksudnya. Oke. Okay. Good. Many people give money to charity. Charity? Give money to charity. Yes, kegiatan amal during Ramadan. For many, Ramadan is a chance to have more time to think and reflect. Reflect, berefleksi ya, mengevaluasi diri. It is also time of prayer and people coming together, especially to share iftar. See, iftar udah masuk ya ke dalam bahasa Inggris resmi, baku. The evening meal just after sunset. Jadi kalau ada yang nanya iftar apa? Evening meal just after sunset gitu. Makan setelah matahari tenggelam. Oke. Okay. Guys, ini ada perbedaan cara mengucapkan prayer gini ya. Prayer ini adalah noun, artinya doa atau sholat. Ada yang mengucapkan pray. Pray. Coba semuanya bilang pray. Pray. Ya, antara prayer dengan pray berdoa itu nggak ada bedanya cara pengucapannya. Sama kayak baju dengan menutup. Close. Jadi bukan clothes tapi close gitu ya. Ya, prayer juga sama dibacanya dengan berdoa. Pray. Pray gitu ya. Oke. Okay. Next. Di sini ada Ramadan is about praying. Pendapat ini nih orang-orang muslim di sana. Family time thinking about and giving to people less fortunate. Less fortunate itu apa ya? Yes, people less fortunate. Orang-orang yang kurang beruntung atau mustadafin lah ya kalau di istilah syariatnya mah. Ramadan is a time for me to reflect and appreciate what I have. Oke, okay, nggak ada yang ini ya, sulit ya. Ramadan is about asking for forgiveness. Meminta pemaafan. And all that lovely food your mom makes. Lol. Oke. Okay. Next slide. Nah, di sini kalian menemukan kata baru nggak? Ini kata-katanya nggak asing ya sebetulnya. Jadi kosakata kalian udah cukup banyak sebetulnya nih. Ramadan is the ninth month. Bulan ke-9. Bukan the 9 month, tapi the ninth. Karena dia pakai ordinal number. Bilangan bertingkat ya untuk ranking. Ke-9, ke-2, dan sebagainya. And start date is based on the appearance of the crescent moon. Crescent moon itu apa ya? What is crescent moon? Bulan sabit. Good. Kalau gerhana bulan apa? Gerhana bulan. Lunar eclipse. Tulisannya eclipse, pakai C ya, eclipse. Dibacanya eclipse. Kalau untuk istilah gerhana, bulan jadi lunar, kalau matahari jadi solar. Jadi solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Good. Next, the length of daily fasting also changes. When Ramadan falls in the British summertime, the hours of fasting are quite long because Britain is far north of the equator and has around 16 hours of daylight in summer. Blah 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 blah. Nggak ada ya, nggak ada yang sulit ya. Oke, kata-katanya, vocabulary-nya masih familiar. Alright. Sekarang, does anyone have to do it? Pregnant apa sih? Pregnant women. Dibacanya bukan woman karena di sini plural. Yes, wanita-wanita yang sedang hamil atau mengandung, pregnant women. Pregnant itu hamil, oke. Circumstances. Nah, ini nih. Circumstances apa? Keadaan, oke. Lingkungan, situasi, boleh. When circumstances, kondisi, bisa ya. Oke, good. Next, last paragraph. If Ramadan coincides. Coincide apa ya? Bertepatan, waktunya bentrok gitu ya. Bersamaan waktunya. Coincides with a major sporting event. Bukan event, tapi event. Apa? Oke, event. Dibacanya event. Kalau T-nya nggak ada, baru dibaca even. Even. Itu jadi adverb artinya bahkan. Ingat, kalau ada T artinya peristiwa, dibacanya event. Event. Kalau nggak ada T, artinya bahkan. Even. Oke. Atau selain bahkan, artinya apa? Genap atau ganjil? Genap. Oke, ada odd, ada even number. Next, Muslim athletes have to face competing without food and liquids. Liquids cairan ya, bukan vape liquids ya. Oke. Blah 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 blah. Strictly. Kalau strictly apa nih? Many of them observe the fast strictly. Secara ketat, ya, secara ketat, secara sungguh-sungguh, secara disiplin ya. Oke. Next. Oke. No more, right? No more difficult vocabulary. Di sini ada stock ya, di stok ya, disimpan. Dates, dates di sini tanggal, pacaran atau kurma? Kurma, nggak mungkin ya di Ramadan pacaran. Kecuali siapa tuh yang suka. Oke guys, now setelah membaca, setelah reading comprehension dari articles ini, coba ada kalian kerjakan quiz ini. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ada 8. Okay. Fatima Kisti, Islam is the second biggest religion in the UK. True. Good. Number 2, Putri Maharani. During Ramadan, Muslim who are fasting do not eat or drink anything at all during daylight hours. True. Very good. Number 3, ada Arya Sadra. Check again. Coba cek lagi. Iftar is the early morning meal eaten before sunrise. Iftar itu apa tadi? Artinya buka puasa. Berarti kalau buka puasa, kalau buka puasa sunset atau sunrise? Sunset ya. Oke, after sunset. Berarti ini false. Oke, good. Next, number 4, we have Felicity ya. Dari tadi belum bicara, boleh? Feli, ada Feli. Atau yang ada Rizky, Rizky. Number 4. Coba dipahami dulu statementnya. The number of hours of fasting per day during Ramadan always stays the same. Jumlah jam bulan berpuasa per hari selama Ramadan selalu selalu sama. Sama nggak kira-kira jumlah jumlah jam puasa di tiap negara, di tiap wilayah? False ya, beda ya. Oke. Apalagi di British, summertime dan winter itu beda karena ekuatornya katanya tadi apa? Jauh dari garis ekuator ya. Oke. Number five, Inaya. Children from the age of 8 are expected to fast for Ramadan. Ada jawaban yang false? Kenapa Inayah true? Anak-anak sejak dari usia 8 diharapkan berpuasa. Merujuk ke statement ini nih. Nah, ini nih. Coba nih. Children, pregnant women, and people who are sick are not expected. Ya, young people normally start fasting when they are teenagers. Berarti mengacu ke statement itu, kalau usia 8 tahun udah teenager belum? Belum. Berarti yang number five, statement five itu false ya. Oke, okay, thank you. Next, number six, Zunaira. It's true. A person can delay the days. Yes, very good. Next, number seven, we have Bintang here. Silahkan Bintang. Benarkah during? Oh, boleh dibaca dulu, silahkan. Mhm, mhm. Oke, benarkah selama London Olympics 3.000 muslim, atlet muslim berpartisipasi sambil berpuasa? True, very good Bintang. Number eight, Fatima Salsabila. False. Oke, very good. Karena tidak all times a day ya, tapi false atau true? All times a day bener nggak? Statementnya di sini nih. Nah, di sini nih. For the athletes who were fasting, the Olympic Village dining room was open 24 hours a day. Oh, ternyata sepanjang hari buka ya. Berarti true ya, karena 24 hours. Okay, very good. Yeah, finally, we have come to the end of our meeting. Okay. Thank you guys for attending this Zoom meeting. Any questions? Ada pertanyaan? Oke, kalau tidak ada, nanti insya Allah after Lebaran, setelah Lebaran kita ketemu kembali ya. Nah, kosakata yang kalian sudah catat tadi, yang ada di teks maupun yang tadi di share screen, ya, kalian catat. Nanti akan muncul di tes biasanya ya, di ujian kenaikan kelas nanti akan muncul tentang reading comprehension about fasting. Okay, thank you. That's all from me and see you later. Maybe after Lebaran, right? Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Happy fasting. Alright. Jangan lupa